So when I'm graphing this line, 3x plus 4 equals y, I'm going to start at my y-intercept, which in this case is positive 4. I'm going to place a point right there on positive 4. And then I'm going to do my rise over run and place my points accordingly. After that, then I'll take my ruler and line up my points. Although I seem to have shifted them a little bit. Looks like, there they go. That's why. Okay, and then when I find my line of best fit, then I can create my line. And there you go. That's how you're going to do your slope-intercept line.